Welcome back. So now, in order to progress to us learning more about our non-fungible tokens and how we can create one, we need to understand more about non-fungible tokens and their wallets.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie's Academy.
So basically, wallets are the one where we store money. And now let's learn more about this non-fungible token. A brief overview. So we all know the hype around the non-fungible token is real. Non-fungible tokens have proved their capabilities as exceptional tools for tokenization of real world and digital assets with a better assurance of value. These non-fungible tokens basically refer to a unit of data on the digital ledger, which are referred basically as blockchain. The blockchain provides certification for uniqueness and non transferability of the concerned digital asset. Therefore, non fungible tokens have the value of uniqueness, which lead to their higher valuation. At the same time, it is also important to take a look at the most popular non fungible token wallets. Why should you worry about this non fungible token wallets at all? So, let's do some homework on why are they important at all. First of all, it is important to understand that non fungible tokens offer a distinct improvement over the comparatively simple idea of the crypto. Many new financial systems involve complicated trading and lending system with support for diverse asset categories such as artwork, real estate, and lending contracts. Non fungible tokens are basically offering a formidable advantage for reinventing financial services management infrastructures all over the world. At the same time, their capabilities for enabling digital representation of physical assets also point out the favorable promise associated with the domain of non fungible tokens. However, you need the best non fungible token wallet available for helping you purchase, hold, sell, or trade on non fungible tokens. You need a wallet with the capabilities for holding cryptocurrencies and non fungible tokens. According to the currency accepted by a non fungible token provider, the non fungible token wallet should offer the ability for purchasing the crypto like the Ether. Even if the domain of non fungible tokens is still growing, it has the potential for revolutionizing the traditional market for artists and collectors. On the other hand, you need a top non fungible token wallet as a compulsory tool for ensuring participation in the emerging domain of the non fungible tokens. However, it is also important to know the function of non fungible token wallets and the essential traits you must look for in the best non fungible token wallet. Non fungible token wallets are digital wallets that help you store non fungible tokens and cryptocurrencies in one place. The wallet help you in receiving additional assets alongside purchasing things with the assets in your ownership. The massive upsurge in non fungible token purchases in recent times has also led to the development of functionalities in non fungible token wallets for storing the non fungible token art after minting or purchasing. Interestingly, an non fungible token wallet does not actually have the asset in a digital version of a particular bank account. On the contrary, wallet only stores the information regarding the location of your asset on the blockchain. Now, you would come across another trouble of finding a non fungible token wallet best suited for your need. All non fungible token wallets have different features, and you have to look out for the essential traits for avoiding any confusion. So, some of the distinct features to look for in most popular non fungible token wallets are the most important features that can help you find the ideal non fungible token wallet according to your requirement may include these as user friendly. The foremost trait you should look for in the best non fungible token wallet is a friendly user interface. We all know that non fungible tokens are already a complicated concept for beginners. So, you wouldn't need a complicated user interface in your non fungible token wallet to make matters worse. Therefore, it is important to look for non fungible token wallet that offer improved ease of setup and usability. And the next one is cross chain compatibility. The next crucial aspect to find in a top NFT wallet refers to cross chain compatibility. The popularity of Ethereum alongside the massive base of developers make it the preferred platform for NFT users. Therefore, you can find the majority of the wallets supporting ERC721 standard based tokens. At the same time, you should note that if you have to mint, purchase, or sell NFTs on other networks, you need that wallet having features of cross chain compatibility. And finally, also, you need multiple device support. Another notably aspect for answering which wallet is best for NFT is the support for multiple devices. You should be able to use the wallet as web extension or desktop and mobile applications. What's better? An NFT wallet that runs on two devices while enabling real-time synchronization of the transaction. That would definitely be a cherry on the top of a cake. So there are different sort of wallets. We can list as the top five. Basically, this is my list on top five wallets. The rapid growth of NFT space has led to the prominent rise of the most popular NFT wallets. At the same time, the phenomenon has also resulted in a lot of complexities for NFT users. So here is a basic outline of the five of the top NFTs. We have MetaMask, we have Coinbase, we have Alpha, Engine, and then Trust. So we'll see about all of these wallets in the next few lectures. And in this lecture, we basically understood the theory portion for these wallets and their importance. And in the next lecture, we'll see these wallets.